What's going on, nation? Ukvapeuk here and welcome. Today I bring you coils, coils review, handmade coils by On a Mission Coils. They are two builders that on a mission to bring you affordable but very good coils. They are specialized in alien coils. They do three type of alien coils. They do more like for Mac, and then you're gonna have I think it's a 0.11 sorry, and 0.15, and then you're also gonna have a 0.8 sorry for the Mac. So they will specialize at a very affordable price. We're gonna do a quick dive down. We're gonna do a build, then I'm gonna be running that build for about a week to see how they go, clean it, see how good is actually the wire, because they use a very nice wire here from the UK. So we will do that. We try it for a week and then we're gonna come back from some thoughts. But obviously we go to all of that on the up and close. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna dive down. Okay, and here is the boxes where your On a Mission coils come in. They are specialists in alien coils, and I think at the moment they only do those three options here. And you're gonna have, it's gonna be very hard to read. I wish that it was a little bit bigger, but there is gonna tell you which kind of wire it is and how much it's gonna ohm for the two coils. So this one has a red dot on a 26 gauge Ni80.15. And then we're gonna have this one right here. Is the second is gonna be 28 gauge Ni90, and it's gonna be 0.11. And finally they're gonna have this one right here, 27 gauge Ni90, and this one they're gonna own 0.08. So you're gonna have kind of three coils like for Macs. You're gonna have the 0.11 that is gonna be also a very hard hit if you want to use on the Mac. This one also gonna be good for Mac, but it's gonna be also very good for your regulator. It's gonna own a 0.15, and I think that's the one that we're gonna go today, because we're gonna build on my reload right here, reload 26. I do know how this bad boy performs. Here are the 26 gauge Ni80. This one's gonna ohm around 0.15. I don't know if I'm gonna add another wrap. I need to check the deck. Let's have a look. This one's are the Ni90.11. Beautiful coils. Look at this focus. Beautiful coils in here. And finally the ones that are gonna ohm at 0.08. This is Mac all day long. Look at this, beautiful also this ones, and they're gonna come with cotton if you want to use it. Now let's take this ones right here. There we go. So let me just have a look first, see. You know what, no, I'm not gonna add any other wrap. I could, but I'm not gonna do it. So I'm gonna trim the excess legs. Okay, I cut them around 5.5 mil diameter on the coily tool. Now they are made of junky wire, premium wire here from the UK, and they are 3mm diameter. Now let's tie them up, see how they're gonna land. Okay, beautiful in there. Let's just put them in place. There we go. See it properly. Look at that, they look beautiful in there. Oh, I hope you can catch this on camera, because they really look good. Okay, do look beautiful in there. Let's now glow them, remove all those hot spots. Oh, look at that. You probably can't see it. Beautiful colors in there. Still have to go a little bit more to remove. Beautiful. And now let's throw some cotton. Alright, so the cotton is in place. I actually bust out my DNA. It was reading 0.10 on my Geek Vape, but I want to make it sure it was reading properly, and it's actually reading 0.16, so spot on, because they said 0.15. So yeah, very spot on, even though I really cut a lot of the legs that were there. Very nice. Now, I'm gonna give it a comb here. Oh, you should see the colors on these coils. They look beautiful. Alright, let's prime this bad boys. Whoops, my bad. Oh, look at those vapors happening. Perfect. Now let me just throw this very quick and let's see how much it's reading. As you can see, right there on the corner, 0.16, just perfect. So now I'm gonna run this bad boys for about a week and I will come back and give you my opinion onto them. Alright, then we're back, and that was the up and close a week ago for On A Mission Coils. So you're gonna be able to find them on Instagram. Unfortunately, I can't post any links or anything like that. Just type On A Mission on Instagram and you're gonna find them. They will have a website that you can go and buy them. They're gonna be extremely cheap. They go for £5 a pair, and that's included postage, but they also have a special offer there that you can go for the 3 pairs or any 3 pairs for £12 postage included. That's extremely cheap, and it is because I did test this once for a week and I am extremely impressed with them. Now they only do aliens. They're only gonna have those three types. I think they should have series because people do love series as well. But at least they're not gonna have 15 kinds, and you even don't know which one to choose. Aliens, I do love aliens, and this one's here just performs very, very good. You're still gonna be able to have, you know, your dual coil or single coil depending on the ohms that you choose. That is gonna ohm pretty nice to you, or you can go for the 0.08. 0.08, sorry, to have to that mech if you want to. Now they are extremely good. I've been using them for a week. No speed back, incredible flavor, very easy to remove the hot spots. Now I did clean them twice, and when you see a coil that has a very good wire, is I use a heavy juice just to make sure I was testing them to the limit. And when you're gonna clean them, they're really gunky, and soon as you heat them up and the first water hits them and they become like they never have any juice on them, they look like they were brand new, is when you see they have a very, very good wire. So I really trust the wire they're using, because this coil, I clean it twice, and both of the times it looks like brand new. If I should have took pictures, to be honest, before and after, but they look like brand new, so they're gonna last you a very long time. Even though it's gonna cost you £5, some people out there is gonna charge you way more, £7, £8, £9, £10 for a pair. For £5, you're gonna get great quality at an amazing price, and this thing vapes like a champ. Flavor is off the charts. Been using them on my reload, and it really grabs, you know, have the performance of the reload with the performance of this coils, give you an amazing vape. So yeah, definitely recommend them. On A Mission coils are definitely affordable and extremely good. So like I was saying, On A Mission, they are very good coils at a very affordable price. So I will definitely recommend you to check them out and try them, because you're not going to be disappointed. Now, if you want to join my Patreon to have exclusive access to exclusive content and early content, and also be able to enter in a monthly giveaway, please join the link down below. We're going to wrap it up. Thanks for everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you next time. Till there, keep vaping.